Whoa.
Yeah, they have like a queue booking, like a 20. You cannot order here.
Okay. It is like seriously busy here.
Yeah, that's right.
So if you come, if you don't like real busy, probably don't come on a Sunday. Taking selfies and photos. I think more people get dressed up here and spend more time getting ready than for weddings. So, pretty incredible place. And what's really funny, if you look in the distance, we've got some black clouds coming our way and the wind's picking up, so we might be in the rain in a minute, but we don't care, we're having a great time. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. You know, please like and subscribe, and we're going to continue to take you on this, you know, Khon Kaen restaurant tour, show you cool places that are cool right now. Yeah, so if you come here, you'll know exactly where to go, and if you're just watching from home, you get to experience everything without 100-degree heat. So
yeah. You're right about that.
All right.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe too.
Yeah,
let's make more of the video to you guys.
All right, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye bye.
Hey, I wanted to give an update on the nail shop. So many of you have been asking about when our shop's gonna open, how everything's going, and we've actually been open 2 days now, and we've had a great response from our customers. Our old customers have come back. So thank you guys so much for watching. We're excited to take you to the next place. We're gonna continue to show you around our hometown. That's kind of one of our next plans, and to take you to Khon Kaen and beyond.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will have more stuff, more fun to show you guys, and enjoy with us everywhere we go. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
See you guys. See you on the next one.